I am Eli Ghazel. Learning can mean different things to different people. However, standards can help all of us share a common concept as to what the core of learning is. I invite you to join more than 14 expert facilitators who will be conducting workshops on American curriculum standards at the American University of Dubai on September the 21st. My session is going to focus on designing visual thinking for the cognitive aspect of a standard. I believe that learning is sharing. See you there.